Hey guys, welcome to I Think It. My name is Ingrid. Today I am so excited to take you in a tour of the Nourished Festival. For those who don't know what the Nourished Festival is, let me tell you right now. It is a 2-day festival dedicated for those who are allergic to wheat, that are celiac, or that have a sensitivity to wheat. So every single product in all of the booths are going to be gluten-free, which is amazing. And if you have allergies, they have also included new diets such as keto or also non-free options and vegan. So it's just really cool to be able to be in a festival that integrates all of the things that I'm allergic to, and it's providing me options that are completely safe. So I cannot wait to take you around, and after we're done with the tour, I'm going to show you all of the products that I got for free in my goodie bag. And they actually have samples. I am currently obsessed with this one. So they have some chips too. This one's sea salt. ¿Agarraste? I think they're all sea salt. And they also have some coupons. So this is the brand that I actually use for pancakes. And look at that! They have so many products that I wasn't aware of. And this is actually so cool. So they have the list of allergens. I'm not able to try any of these products, but still it's pretty cool to see before you just come and grab something that you might react to. And look here, more free samples. This one has coconut, this one doesn't have anything, and that one has almonds.
Pop that in there, and then in 3 minutes it'll come back with either a picture of wheat found or gluten-free.
Oh, that's cool! Look, you guys, this is allergy-free. I'm actually very obsessed with this one, but I'm about to try the birthday cake and also the double chocolate. And I actually got a loaf of bread from them. Isn't this cool? They have corn and coconut. Other than that, they are allergy-free. These are chips and they're actually allergy-free. So let's give them a try.
There, you want
So I love that. What do you have here?
We have granola.
Granola? Is that nut free?
It's gluten free,
It's gluten free.
but it has plenty of nuts. 'Cause
Okay.
we love nuts as much as we do.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Oh no!
But I love
Okay,
nuts.
we have oatmeal for you.
Awesome.
There's no nuts in those.
I love this.
What you?
So cool. And this is where you can find them.
Thank you very much.
But they actually have some samples, and this is oats. And all of this is going to be allergy free. Alright, so I'm back from the Nourished Festival, and I'm actually quite impressed with how big my goodie bag is. So let me show you all of the products that I got. And I was able to purchase 2, but other than that, the majority is free items. The Nourished Festival was sponsored by Enjoy Life. Therefore, we were able to get a few of their sample items. So these are the lentil chips and also some mini cookies. One of my favorite brands was also in the festival, and they are called Party Foods. I actually purchased 3 boxes of their cookies because they're not in store yet. And usually you find them in retail for $6 a piece, and they had 3 of them for $10. So I just went ahead and purchased these. Okay, so this was a sample that I got. This is nutritional gist from Bob's Red Mill. I'm very excited to give it a try. Basically, you can make cheese with this. I've never done it before, so let's see how that goes. I'll have to let you know when I try it. One thing I was pretty surprised is that we got a whole loaf of bread for free. This one is from Little Northern Bakehouse, and they are actually very vegan, allergy-free, and also gluten-free. The one thing that they have is that it has peas. I have an intolerance to peas, but I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I feel like for the things that I'm a little intolerant, I've been trying to add them in my diet slowly to see whether I will react or not. I feel like that was the case with chickpeas. I haven't been reacting as bad as I did before. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Other than that, this is going to be vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, and nut-free. So I got a bottle of tea. This one is passion fruit. Let's go ahead and give it a try. And it's really good. I think it's sugar free because I couldn't taste the sugar. Yeah, so it's sugar free and it has 0 calories. So this is pretty cool. I actually enjoy this brand a lot, especially when I'm making pancakes. They're called Namaste. They gave me their cake and a comb formula for cinnamon sugar cake. This is just really cool. So basically all you're going to need for this is to add some oil and your favorite plant-based milk. You microwave it. Isn't this pretty cool? It's ready in 1 minute and 45 seconds. The coolest thing about like plant-based food is that it doesn't take a lot of time for you to cook it because all of the ingredients are whole. Look at this. I also got some granola. This is lemon blueberry from Bob's Red Mill. This was also another free sample, and it is not free, it is vegan and it's gluten free. Okay, I was like, what is this? For a moment you probably saw my face. This is wow butter. So basically it says that it's peanut free. Like I freaked out when I saw it. I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this? So it is peanut free, it is gluten free, and it does have soy. So this is one of the things that was already inside the goodie bag, and basically I believe it's like a substitute of peanut butter. It is not safe for me, but this is pretty cool that kids nowadays are going to be able to know what peanut butter tastes like, because I've never tried it. All I know is that I can have an attack and that wouldn't be very safe. Alright, another thing that I got was instant oatmeal. So you probably have noticed that the one that you find in retails usually have dairy. So I'm allergic to dairy and I cannot have those. But this company is called Bakery on Main. They gave me a few options. So this one is strawberry, this one is just quinoa and amaranth, and this one is apple pie. So I'm very excited to just give them a try. So this is one thing I'm excited for. I ended up purchasing this flour. The company is called Mom's Modern Mixes. This is great for making cookies. I feel like I love baking cookies, but usually I cannot find flour that is going to be free of all my food allergens. So in this case, they are really good. It's basically just oat flour, sugar, brown sugar, rice flour, arrowroot, flax seeds, and baking soda. So it's pretty cool if you are in the mood for baking some cookies. So I also got some bread. This is pretty cool because it's gonna be vegan, it's gonna be gluten free and also nut free. The only one thing that this brand has, it's called Char. They have soy. So if you're allergic to soy, you're not going to be able to eat it. But if you're not, then you can. Oh, and also I have more nutritional yeast. This is from a new brand. It's called Goodie. They are actually not selling on stores yet, but you can find them online. Basically, this is gonna taste like cheese. I was able to try it and it was just so good in popcorn. So I totally recommend it. The brand is called Agobi. I also got a bunch of coupons. I am telling you, I have so many coupons. It is crazy but pretty cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you discover some brands that are going to be allergy friendly, and also if you have a Nourished Festival coming your way, make sure to sign up for it. I was able to be a vlogger and I was able to also give out free tickets. So that is also another option. You can look into bloggers that are going to be gluten-free within your area if there's a festival coming up either at the end of this year or next year, so you can get some free tickets to attend. I feel like it's worth it because everyone gets samples. So it's just amazing to be able to go to a festival where they're going to have a lot of products that you can eat. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any food allergies. I'm always looking into how to make sure that the recipes that I'm sharing are going to be free of all of those food allergies. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you need to do is click this red button down here and share this video with anyone who might have food allergies so they know of some products that are safe for them. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week with a new video. Bye guys!